was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little present shop, when the bell on the door.
So Miles and I are picking out his ornament for the tree for this year, and he's picked out this one. Isn't it neat? Which his birthday party this year was actually Christmas themed. I mean, not Christmas, but game themed. Do you want this one or you want that one?
I want both.
You can't get both. You only get one a year. Take your gum. Take the gum. There you go. Do you want this one? Okay. You guys, Dollar Tree has mini Christmas trees this year. I'm gonna show you. Hold on. My sister was like, "Can you get me like 8 of them?" So I'm getting her 8, and I'm also getting myself 1. And then I went ahead and got some bags because I only do bags for Christmas. I do not mess with wrapping. Well, I do wrap gifts, but normally it's just for my nephew. So, alright, I gotta figure out. I wonder if we should get some of this for my nephew's room. It's like wall decoration. I got him some window clings that I think would be cute. And I don't think my mom would like go crazy over, so I think that's everything that I want to get right now. Yeah. Yeah, I don't really see a lot more that I want to get out of here, so we're gonna just check out. And oh, I should let her know. Hold on. What up, guys? Okay, so I am actually I'm not mad at it. I put on the, so I don't know if you guys ever have done the 7 for 55, but I think it's like 7 for 65 now. Anyways, by Tarte. So I got the powdered foundation, and today, because we were supposed to go out tonight, I don't think we're gonna end up going out. But anyways, so I didn't want to put on makeup because I just got a primer from Sephora, the new matte, or I don't know if it's new or not, but anyways, the matte milk makeup primer. So I just got that, and I didn't want to do like a full face before I use it. Like, I wanted to use it in my get ready. So when I got home today, I felt like I was looking a little bummy, so I just put on the powder foundation, like sprayed my face to saturate it because I was looking really flaky. And honestly, I'm not bad. It looks good from far back. Like, it's a texture that I'm dealing with, but whatever, it is what it is. I'm getting ready to go into Ulta. Because there is a new Fenty gloss that is supposed to be cooling and all this other stuff, and I've tried to order it in this, I tried to buy it in the store. It was sold out in the last Ulta that I went to. I tried to order it online and pick up in the store, and they canceled my order at another Ulta that it said it was in stock, but it wasn't. So I'm gonna go check this one. They honestly said that they didn't have it in stock, and they didn't allow buy online and pick up in the store. So I'm hoping they just actually have it in the store. But my hopes, the bar is very low, so I'm not prepared to find it. But if I do, I'll be happy about it. So anyways, I'm gonna go in the store. So this is it. So they do have it in stock, or they had it, but they don't have any here in the store. That's disappointing. But I just actually bought some of these online earlier. I got glazed and retro rose. Solid choices, honestly, considering I hadn't seen them in person, so definitely not mad at it. the lighting here is freaking atrocious, which is insane considering I'm parked right in front of a storefront with their lights on. So I don't understand, but whatever. So we're getting boba. My sister is in the store getting it now. I'm just, waiting because I'm the driver today. Ulta was a bust. They did not have what I was looking for, which we knew going in they likely would not, but I was kind of just had this little kernel of hope that it would be there. So I went ahead and took the plunge, ordered it off the Fenty website. I might do a Fenty haul because I ordered some more stuff too. Well, I told y'all in Ulta I think that I had ordered some stuff. So it is what it is, but yeah, it was a bus. We're getting boba, and then I think we're headed back home. And after that, TBD.
My dumbass ordered one of these online today, and I was supposed to get two.
Oh.
Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.